Hi Barbie, my name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you as long as you implement some things into your website that are going to make it do so. So I see here you're in Castle Rock, and I clicked on the link for homeswithbarbie.com. Took me over here. So obviously you do have a website. You understand the value of being online. You do understand the fact that it's important. But is this website bringing you leads? So are people finding your website on its own, clicking on a contact us, filling out the form, and calling you through it? I'm not sure, but if you do some of these tips and tricks, that will definitely help you for sure. So content. Google loves content. Search engines love content. The more content you have, the more value you provide to the internet using the World Wide Web. And so therefore, the more visible these search engines are going to make your website. But content isn't just the words on your website, especially in real estate, it's photos. How your photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing you want to remember is that search engines read how your photos are saved on the back end. So I went in here, I think this photo right here is saved as download. Okay, so a lot of times you have to keep in mind, a lot of times the computer creates a file name for photos that you didn't specify. So a lot of times it consists of download or download one or random letters and numbers. Just remember that these search engines are reading how you save your photo. So if you have, especially in a real estate website, if you have 400 photos and they're all saved as download, well, that's not going to help you at all, and you're missing out a lot of areas that you can be helping rank your website in. So it's just wasted space. Why not have that bring value to you? So next is citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So a directory would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So I saw you guys are in Castle Rock, so I typed in Castle Rock Realtors. We got Remax Alliance, we got Jim Garcia, and we got Realtor Castle Rock. These guys are here because of citations in their Google My Business page. So I actually couldn't find a Homes with Barbie Google My Business page. And so like if I can't find it, there's a good chance that clients can't find it. So that's a big thing. I don't think you have a Google My Business page, and if you do, you're not on this first page here. So this is where you want to be, definitely. So I would suggest getting a Google My Business page. And for this video, because you don't have one, we're going to use Jim Garcia, Castle Rock Real Estate, and his Google My Business page. So this is what it looks like once you get one. We recommend 25 reviews. So obviously everybody knows the importance of reviews. Jim has 14 of them. Jim has 14 reviews, so you're going to want 25, but honestly, if you have 15, you're going to be one up from him and just keep going from there. So he's in the third position, I believe, for the map pack, Jim Garcia. He's actually in the second position. So reviews aren't the number one important key, but we recommend 25 reviews minimum. And then you're going to want to complete your profile. The other very important thing to keep in mind is that you want to have 10 photos. So Jim's only got 3 photos. I'm willing to bet they're not saved the right way. So you're going to want to have 10 photos minimum. These photos, these drive-by photos that Google does on their own, these don't count. You're going to want to have 10 photos of your own. 10 photos of your own that you upload to your Google My Business page. And then again, you're just going to want to save them the right way so that these search engines read it and it helps you rank for it. The last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere homeswithbarbie.com can be found on the internet anywhere. So I'm not sure how long you've had this domain or how far you've tried to travel with it and rank with it. But either way, you guys have 3 backlinks from 2 referring domains. And if you notice, your domain rating is 0.6. That's a 0.6 out of 100. So The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. The benefit to you only having 3 backlinks is you don't really have that many to go through at this point. But I would suggest getting yourself a significant amount more backlinks and just make sure that they come from relevant sites that aren't spammy. So make sure your backlinks are coming from sites that are relative to the real estate industry and that aren't spammy. You want powerful backlinks that are going to help you do that. That's going to raise your domain rating. And as your domain rating raises, the more visible and more powerful your website's going to become because the more value you're bringing to the internet. So other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website and get a Google My Business page and help rank up and get on the first page and make some of that money, get some more money in here. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.